You think rich people are just lucky, or they inherited it, or they worked 80-hour weeks and sacrificed everything. That's what they want you to think. Because the real answer is much simpler and much more uncomfortable. Rich people understand a set of rules about money that nobody teaches you in school. Your parents probably didn't know either. The financial system is specifically designed to keep these hidden from you. Today, I'm going to break every single one of them down, and by the end of this video, you will never look at your bank account the same way again. Let's go. Your income is not your wealth. Your income is just your speed. Rich people don't obsess over how much they earn. They obsess over how much they keep and how fast that kept money grows on its own. Person A has a nice car, a few holidays a year, and £8,000 in a savings account. Person B has a portfolio worth £480,000. Same salary, completely different outcomes. The only difference? Person B understood that wealth isn't earned, it's built. In the last 12 months, what did you spend your disposable income on? A new phone, clothes, eating out, maybe a holiday. None of those things made you a single penny. The moment you bought them, they were worth less than what you paid. Every time rich people have a surplus, they ask one question: does this put money into my pocket or take money out? Assets put money in: shares, index funds, property that generates rent, a business, intellectual property. If you invest £300 a month starting at age 25, by the time you're 55, you'll have roughly £440,000. If you wait until 35, the difference? £250,000. Gone? Just because you waited. Rich people don't wait until they have more money to invest. They start with whatever they have. Time is the most valuable financial asset on earth, and you are burning through it right now. For consumer debt, credit cards, car finance, buy now, pay later, yes, get rid of it. But rich people don't avoid debt. They weaponize it. They borrow money at a low interest rate to buy an asset that generates a higher return than the interest they're paying. Most people in their 20s and 30s are spending their highest earning years buying liabilities and calling it a lifestyle. Rich people use money to buy back their time, and then they use that time to generate more money. You have the same 24 hours as everyone else. The question is, are you spending them or investing them? If this video changed the way you think about money, share it with one person who needs to hear it. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.